How to get your Instagram profile link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right, which will open these options. Click on Account Center at the top. In Account Center, click on Profiles. In the Profile section, simply select your Instagram account. After you have selected your Instagram account, click on Username in here, which is the second option. Simply copy your username. After you have copied your username, open any browser and search Instagram.com. And after Instagram.com, write / and then your username. After you have done that, you will find your Instagram profile pop up. You can simply copy the link at the top, which is in the search bar, and send it to people. And this is how to get your Instagram profile link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.